I close my eyes and overwhelmingly rise like the tide. To the beach we breach the shores to be insured. We are stronger than any storm. I have to store the energy and let it explode. And watch the energy bowl the cortex of my soul. I take notes to notify my mind that I am not alone. Lotus flowers are planted in the bandwidths that I plan to listen until I no longer can stand to sit. I'm a man and a magician in a traveling band of bandits. I've been able to cross over, now I'm a musician, bandit from the common vantage point. I inhale power and exhale meteor showers. I find that I am empowered in my voice, but as I stand at the base of the tower, I scour at the challenge at hand. I send out prayers, roll up my pants and sculpt the walls. Even though my approach is slow, I still slowly advance. I have a better chance of overcoming if my effort is overly abundant. I tighten my stomach and pump my legs. I shut off the negative thoughts in my head. This type of negativity prevents divinity, which I dread. But as I stand over the ledge, I test the reality. What is the edge? I take a deep breath and take a leap of faith. Where do I go from here is uncharted. The sun behind my back as I climb into darkness. I keep in mind, bringing light into the world is my target. Regardless of the destination, I'm etching greatness into the new phases. New faces looking and heckling to push me inward like pin cushions. But as I go deeper into this pattern, I am rung around like the rings of Saturn. Quiet is the sound of those battered. But I want to bring that out, for keeping it in is the reason for cancer. And such a season is never the question to the answers we should be addressing. I am just the essence of my brethren. As I pray for resolve, all I ask is that you lift me in blessings, and that's all.